you heard about the cow opening? So the cow opening is a meme opening that Anna Cramling, a chess content creator on YouTube, invented not a long time ago. So today I tried to play a game using that opening, and let's see how I did. So let's jump right into the game and I'll show you how to play this opening. I was playing with white pieces and I played e3. That's how the cow opening starts. My opponent played e5, I played d3. So this is also the cow opening. So he played d6, and now I bring this knight to the center, and then I bring my other knight to the center, and then I bring one knight to the side, and after that the second knight to the side, and this is how you play the cow opening. So it is an okay. It's black is actually quite better here, but it's an okay position, and you'll see how I play it next. So you can also play this opening for black. It's the same stuff. You bring your knights and then in them out. So he played g6. I developed my bishop and I was ready to castle. And I bring my other bishop. So I also brought my bishop. You don't have to do this, but I did it that way. Now he played d5 and I throw for the center. Not the best move. He played e4 and I castled, which is excellent. Now queen to e7, in accuracy I played a3, preparing the idea of bishop b4 already, and some ideas. He played b6, played bishop b4, taking this diagonal and not allowing him to castle. Right now black cannot castle, and I played f3. So the idea is to exchange some pawns and open the f file and e file. So he played a mistake, and here I took the pawn and I opened the f file, and now I sacrificed the rook, which is a brilliant move. Because now after bishop takes, I take the pawn on e4, and now I attack the bishop, and this square is very good for me. And I open the f file and I'm ready to bring some pieces into attack. Also the d file would be open. So it's a great sacrifice, which gave me a brilliant icon. So bishop e7, of course. Now queen to d2, not the best move, but I had some. My idea was to that if he takes, then I would take with the queen. So instead he took my knight, so I took his bishop. He played a5, which is a mistake, and here played bishop c3 with the idea of playing d5, discovered attack, and attacking the rook. So right now he played rook h7, seeing this, and I still play d5 to also start an attack with this pawn. I have here a lot of ideas. I also threaten to bring my rook very soon, and also this bishop is going into play. So he took the pawn here. White is completely winning. I took the pawn. Now I threaten the rook, and he played knight c6, and here bishop b5, pinning the knight. This is completely winning for white. He played rook c8, of course, no other move. Here played bishop f6, that is an accuracy. So what the computer suggests to play knight to f6 with the idea that after he takes, I take, and now I threaten rook to c1, and this is like he cannot guard it in any way. Let's say he plays queen d7, then I can actually even I have a lot of ideas here, and I play rook d1, and then after he takes, I take, and I will play this move, and black is like Tutzwang. This rook cannot move, this nothing can move. Like let's say rook c7, this is like mate in one move. So let's go back to our position. So instead of this, I played bishop f6, yeah, inaccuracy. He played queen d7, the best. Here I again should have exchanged queens, I think. And after he takes, then rook d1, and like very good stuff. Let's say king c7, then we can even play like this and win a piece. So, but instead I went for a very interesting line. Bishop takes c7, sacrificing the queen. So what is the idea? That if right now he takes the queen, so I can play like this. Actually, that's what he should have played, and the position would be drawn like 0-0. Gives the engine. but instead my opponent is not an engine and he played king 10 x7. That's a very big blunder, because now I take the queen after king takes knight to f6. It's a fork, and after king moves I take the rook. I rook up. Now he attacks my, and I like bishop c4. This rook isn't going anywhere, and my knight is okay here on 7. King to e7, rook d1, putting my rook on an open file. Rook h8. Of course he's gonna take the knight, so I sacrifice the knight. Like, I'm here only a pawn up, but I'm gonna win another pawn very soon. Check, then I take. I'm 2 pawns up, and this knight cannot do anything. It's like very trapped here. Knight c8, rook b7, and yeah, I took another pawn. By the way, here I could simply go like this, and this is like it completely too swung. But okay. So instead I played rook takes f7, king e5, took another pawn very soon. Okay, and like this is very okay. Now I'm 4 pawns up and take another pawn, and I simply can march like, and my pawn is going to queen, and that's what happened. Check, 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 and here I promote a queen, and this pawn is going up, 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 up. This is how the game ends. And here, like, you see 13 seconds on the clock, and guys, when you have 13 seconds on the clock, like, look, mate in 3 moves, you forget how to give mate. You like forget the stuff. What I would play here, like, I don't know, rook h2 or something, and win this game very easy. Just leave my rook on this file, and then like win very easy. But I don't know what I did. I did rook h1, okay, and I don't know. Mate in 2 moves, guys. I didn't found this move. I don't know why I played that. Mate in 1 move, guys. Rook f4 was checkmate right now, and I missed it. You see, when you have like 8 seconds on the clock, again mate in 1 move. Queen to c3, checkmate. I again didn't found it. Okay, mate in 1 move. Queen. Wait, let me find the mate. Where is the mate, guys? I don't know, where is the mate? Let's find. Queen c5, checkmate, guys. Again, I didn't find the move. Okay, and now, like, mate in 1. Okay, now, finally checkmate. So that's how I play the cow opening, and that's how you win with this meme opening. Thank you so much for watching this game, and see you in the next video.